What's up, everyone? I'm Wixdom, and this is an updated version of my original tutorial on how to map in robeats. So, without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial of the video. Yay! So first of all, you need to download OSU. So by doing that, you can go to osu.ppy.sh, and of course I'm already logged in. So if I can sign out, yes. There you go. This will pop up. So if you don't have the game or if you don't have an account yet, then you can click the register here. If you already have an account, you can click on the login. But since I have for Swedish, it looks like logga in and registrera. So when you click login and you have logged in on your account, or after you have registered, you can click download OSU right here. If you click download OSU, this will pop up, and then download OSU for Windows. Keep in mind, if you have a Mac, there's probably some way to download it, but in this video I can't show you that because I don't know how to download it for a Mac computer. So we'll just keep on going with the Windows version. You click download for Windows, and this will pop up. You click this, and if you have this like, oh, warning, this app is not from the Windows Store but it is from internet, do you still want to download? You click yes. But since I already have it installed, I have it over here on my desktop. After downloading it, you will probably see it. It'll be anywhere on the screen, probably here, I don't know, but you can just move it around if you want to. That's fun. Look at it. So now you want to enter the game, which you do by, of course, double clicking the game. So when you have entered the game, it should look like this. Without this, of course, I'm logged in right now. So if you want to log in, you click OSU and then options. Go up here, scroll up, and then click log in. But I'm already logged in, so I don't have to do that. No, it's not. That's copyrighted shit. They can't copyright it because I played it for like 0.1 seconds. But yeah, so when you here in the OSU menu, you want to click the big circle and click edit. Alright, so when you clicked the edit button, it will look like this, minus all the maps that I have. So you'll see this box that says drop an MP3 file here to start mapping. Which you need. You need an MP3 file, and I'll show you an easy way to get your MP3 file of the song you like. Alright, and once you're here on YouTube, you can just search for your favorite song. I'll just go for Sean Wasabi Marble Soda. It's because that was one of my songs that got popular for some reason. So when you clicked on the video, it should just have it up here like this. The song I wanted, Sean Wasabi Marble Soda. So what you want to do is you want to copy this link, not this exact link, just the link of the song that you want to map on YouTube. You want to copy that. Copy that. You can open another tab and go to this website called mp3converter.net. It's actually a very useful site that I use a lot when I map. So basically, when you get the link, just copy that. Yeet. You want to paste it in here like that. So then after that you click MP3. If it's on video, then you click MP3. Then you click start. After that it will start converting, and it should start downloading. Never mind. So they've updated the site to where you can do like different types of the songs. So like a good quality or a bad quality. I mean, not bad, but like worse. So I usually pick this one because my computer has enough space for good, very nice MP3 files, and I do recommend you choose the biggest one. So you just click that, and if it didn't download, then you can click convert again if it didn't download. You have it here, right? So you want to just not exit out, you want to make it a bit smaller so you can see your desktop, and you can want to drag it onto the desktop. Now you should have it here on the desktop. So when you have your MP3 file here, of course do whatever you want with it, but I want to map it right. So what you want to do, if you have two screens, you can drag it onto your other screen. You won't see my other screen, but you can drag it onto your other screen. You can open, wait, no, that's OBS. You can open OSU, go to edit. You can click the Windows button, because when you're on edit, OSU doesn't close. You can click your other screen, and you can drag that file. You can see I'm dragging something by the mouse and drop it here. Now you should be able to see it. Alright, so when you drag your file on here, it should be like this. So just somehow you have to drag your MP3 file to here. I only know how to do it with two screens, so I don't really know how to do it on without two screens, but you can probably find someone who can show you or tell you how to do it. So when you've done that, this should show up. Let's just it's kind of loud. Alright, there we go. So this should be here. You want to click it, and this should pop up. In general, you want to type in the artist, which in my case is Sean Wasabi. Title, the song name, Marble Soda. Difficulty, you can do that if you want to. You can do this if you want to, tags and crap, but tags and source doesn't really matter. Just difficulty, you can just like 45, I guess. No, I don't know. But after doing that, you don't want to go to difficulty. You want to go straight to advanced and click this arrow and click Osamania. After that, go difficulty and lower the key count to 4. And then audio tab, you can change which sound it's going to make when you hit a note. For example, normal is loud, soft is not, that is a bit lower volume, and drum is like medium, you know. They all have different sounds for the most part. Sample volume, you can adjust how loud the sounds are going to be. So normal, maybe you want like that, you want that sound, but it's going to be a bit lower. Maybe you want soft and it wants to be a bit lower too. 100 is normal, and maybe drum, you can just you can drag it. And yeah, in my case, I'm just gonna pick soft because that fits the song. So here in colors, you can change combo colors, but this doesn't matter at all. This has you can just skip this. Design, you can skip this as well. And advanced, we already did this, so now we can click OK. Yes, or OK. Now you're here. So this is important. So basically, no, I didn't mean to do that. So basically, this is where you set the BPM and offset, and you can also do other stuff if you want to. But right now, I'm just gonna try to get the BPM, which I think, if you don't want to find like the BPM, if you're lazy and stuff like me, you can just either go here, look for like, oh, what BPM is it? I don't know. So it doesn't say here, so we can go here. Sean Wasabi Marble, so yes, and then BPM. Here we go. And here we go. I found the BPM on songbpm.com. Type song, get a BPM. You can just type whatever you want to. There's not a 100% chance you're gonna find the BPM, but there's a chance. So I can just enter in the BPM. You can't do that directly, so whatever. This one is 112. And now I want to get the offset, and the offset is the first beat, so there. It's like, please enjoy, and then that. Like, please enjoy, and then bam. So that's where beats are. So you can change the speed right here of the song. So 25 is like 50, and 75, and 100. But now I want to make it 25 so I can do the exact BPM. So around here, I would say. You can go click here the timing setup and change the BPM and offset if you want to do it manually. So I'm just trying to time it. Just trying to time it perfectly because OCD. I see it's 150, so let's go with that. I'm just gonna go with 12, but you can of course set your own speed, set your own BPMs and crap. And then after that, you can pause by pressing spacebar or just the pause button. Click here to go back to the beginning and test if you want to test your beat map. But yeah, of course, I haven't mapped your beat map yet, which is the fun part, or boring sometimes, but fun for the most part. So after you've done that, you want to go to compose, which is here. This might look a bit complicated, but trust me, it isn't complicated at all. Really easy to learn. So, basically, what you want to do, you have these three buttons: select, circle, and hold. Hold circles or hold notes, you can press and hold, and then release. You don't click between, but you can, of course, make regular notes with that equipped, but easier to do this because you can't drag, but with this you can, so easier to make mistakes with this one. I want to just remove that real quick. So, with circles, you just press wherever you want to. And if it doesn't look like this for you, it's because you have the beat snap div, yeah, whatever that says. So yeah, you can just drag this like this. So if I have like this, I can't press in the middle because it will go there. So if you want more exact like beat like dun dun dun, it'll be like. But this of course isn't accurate at all. This is crap offset. I never did this. What's this? There we go. So yeah, that's my offset. So of course you can map here. You can do like if you want really close to each other. So you can do that. You can match it to the beat like this. Alright, so what you want to do is basically you want to map to the beat like this, of course, like that. Like, of course, it's a bit late. It's a bit. This map is horribly timed. So you can also do it here if you want more precise. Like this is like horribly timed. Yeah, so the BPM is on this absolute horse crap. So you can of course like I'm really bad at mapping, but you know, you can map like that. You can make hold notes. You can make normal notes. Like that. And you just map your entire song like this up to the end. Doesn't matter how long you want it to be. And yeah. So I'm just gonna map that. This is just to show you how to map. Alright, as said, you're here in the editor now. You want to edit it by the sounds, of course. So no like bullshit like this, like, oh, I'm just gonna map like this. That's just bullshit. Like that's just horrible mapping. If you do that, you're bad. Don't do that. It makes me pissed. So I'm trying to map around. Yeah, so you just map that. You can do that. So like, yeah, so you can map with the hold notes. selected map with regular nodes. And if you want to know what this select does, is just you can hold drag and then make a square of that, and it just becomes blue, and you can right. By the way, yes, I forgot to tell you this, but you can right-click nodes to make them disappear, and you use mouse 1 to make them. You can also use hotkeys 1, 2, and 3. These are unimportant, and they're more like if you want to do more advanced mapping, better hit sounds and stuff. You can probably find a tutorial about this somewhere else on YouTube. So I'm not here for an editor tutorial. I'm here to show you how to make a map and upload it to your Roblox account so people can play it. Wow, whoa, go me, I guess. I don't know. So after that, after you mapped your entire map, I'm not gonna map like anything else in this. Uh, just like that, and then you just map all this. But when you're done with mapping, you just can wait. Right, so you just press escape and do that. Oh, are you sure you want to save these changes? You click yes. Oh, that's loud. Alright, so with that, you now want to click escape again, click the also, and then click exit. Now things become a bit more complicated. So you want to have OSU here on your desktop right here, and now fucking OCD please. Alright, fine, whatever. You want to just right click this and click properties. You want to click open files or whatever it says. Click OK. I got it on my other monitor, so there it is. This will pop up. You then want to open songs and then type in the name of your song. In my case, that is Marble Soda. This will pop up. It'll be this text file. As you can see, it looks pretty complicated, but you don't have to change anything here. So, it won't pop up as a text file. It will pop up as a blank file. If you don't know what a blank file is, it is it just looks white. So it looked like that. You want to double click it and it will pop up as do you want to open what do you want this to open with? Wait, what? What do you want to open this with? And you just click the text file thing. I forgot what it's called, but you probably understand. Then you'll have this crap. So you want to just copy all of this. Copy it all. Control C or right click and click copy. Then you want to go back to Chrome and go to this website that I will link in the description as well. Then you want to paste all of your data in here and click convert. This is all of your data that you are going to use for your map. But we're not going to touch that yet. We can put that to the side and open a new tab. You know what? I'll just open all the tabs. I have this audio file ready for the game. So what we want to do here is, yeah, we'll keep that line for now. And we want to go here and go to Roblox.com. Wait for it to load. Alright, so now that you're here, you want to go here to robeats. Then you want to click the robeats dev where beside it says buy, and underneath the title it'll say robeats dev. You want to click that. You want to click this robeats mapping place. You want to click these three buttons or three dots and then click edit and then open Roblox. It'll start loading like this. Yeah, by the way, you can close this text file and you can close the files since you already have your data here. Alright, let's wait until it opens. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, so we have this. This is important. Don't touch anything. Just go. Wait. Yeah. So, what you want to do now is you want to go here to View, I think. Yes. View. And you want to click here, the Explorer. If you don't already have it up, it'll look like this. So, you don't want to click this plus. You want to click beside it. Double click that. And then double click the song map. This will be the all-star song from Shrek. Fucking hell. Oh my god. Well, you want to remove all that. We don't need that. No, no. We go back here. We go here. And we copy all of this new data that we got. You want to copy that. And now, you just want to go back here and paste that data. Paste that data right in there. But this is the important part. When you do this and you try to play, if you're trying to play, it'll just keep loading forever. It'll load forever. It won't kind of stop loading. You just have a loading screen. You want to click stop. If you try that, don't do that though. So this is the problem. People don't understand this part. I'm going to show you very clearly how this works now. So it'll say RTV dot audio set ID equals quote unquote these things. Fill in audio set ID here, these things. So what you want to do now is you want to get your audio set right here. So I have mine here. I just search on your song here, and I always recommend checking that it exists before you start mapping if you really want it to be in Roblox and publish it. So you just search on your song. It should be here. At least mine is. So what you want to do, you want to copy this ID right here. Copy that, and then you want to go into here again and remove these. People don't understand. People think you're supposed to, no, that's not. It'll look like this, right? So you want to remove the, people think you only remove the text and then do that. It doesn't work like that. You need to remove these as well. And on top of that, I forgot how to, 1 second, let me just, robeats. You want to add this rbx asset ID / in front of it. So do that. It'll look like that. So now you're set basically. So you can go back here and click play. Should work. It works. Yeah, so Chris, that's all I mapped. You could see that was exactly what I mapped in Osu. But it is a bit slow. I don't like it when it's slow. So you want to go here to RTV as audio no pre-buffer time equals, and you want to change that to lower, for example, 10,000 if you want it to be faster. Or it was this to begin with. This is the default speed. That was pretty slow. But if you want it slower, you can go more. You can go above 2,500 if you want slower than that. Or you can go just 10,000 like me. I like that one, I think. Usually pick like 700 or 900. We can go with this for now. Yeah, so yeah, that's how you map in Robeats. Now, after you do that, first you want to click File here, and you want to click Save As. Then you can just, let's say I want to name it Marble Soda XD. You click Save. Now you click File again and publish to Roblox as. Look, okay, so it says publish to Roblox, but you want to click publish to Roblox as. I have a lot of maps, so you click create a new place. You make a title, Marble Soda Shorty smiley face. Description, hi. And you can just flip around with this. Thumbnails, you can do that if you want to access. You can do all of this, but you don't need to do advanced settings. Yeah, and then create place. This will create the place. You can click next. Yeah. You don't need to do that. Share your game with friends. This is an important link. So copy that link and paste it in here. It will look like only you can play this game because it's private. Make it public on the configure game page. So you want to click configure game page. And you want to click here, the make it public, and then save. Making a game private will shut down. Yeah. You want to do that? Public. changes has been saved. So I'm gonna paste that again in there, and there we go. It should be published now. So now other people can play this game and enjoy your little map, and you yourself can play your own game and enjoy your map. I just made a little short map, so in my case, no one will probably play this. But I have made a longer Marble Soda map, and if you want to see that, then I'll link it in the description if you want to check that out. It's pretty horrible, but that was like one of my first maps, so don't bully me on that, please. So thank you all so much for watching. If this helped you at all, you can just please hit that like button, maybe even subscribe. I play Osu, and I'm going to play Robeats later. Maybe this month, maybe next month. It depends, okay? So, I'm playing a lot of Mania games on this channel. This is just the main attraction. Mania games. And I decided to throw it in this tutorial since my last one did well, but it's horrible. So, why not make an updated version so people actually understand? So, that's what I did. Thank you all so much for watching. I've been recording for 40 minutes now. This is send help. I gotta go to sleep. I have school tomorrow, so I'll see you guys later. Have a great day, and I'll see you on another stream or video. Bye bye.